Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the AI Kirby token. Now I just uploaded a video on the Kirbyceo token, so check that token out as well. Both of these tokens are getting brand new central exchange listings starting tomorrow. January 19th on a very big central exchange. So we're going to go over the information on the AI Kirby token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is also known as the Kirbyceo token. That is actually the official name of this token. And we're going to get to why it's also called Kirby AI in just 1 second here. But this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting January 19th at 6 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search AI Kirby, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. Now, it says the project name Kirbyceo with the ticker symbol Kirbyceo will be named AI Kirby with the ticker symbol AI Kirby on Mexc Global. Please take note of this change before proceeding with any deposit or withdraw transactions. Now, most likely there was some other token in the past, maybe on a different chain or whatnot, that had a very similar name. And so that is why they've changed it to AI Kirby on Mexc Global, so you don't get confused with the older token or vice versa. But if you are going to look this token up on Etherscan, this is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. The token's name is Kirbyceo and ticker symbol is Kirbyceo, all one word. So just keep that in mind. Mexc Global, it's called AI Kirby, but on Etherscan it is Kirbyceo. Now it says AI Kirby is merely the name of the token and is no way affiliated with Nintendo or American Incorporated or any of its affiliates. So this is just a meme token paying homage to Kirby. And it's on the Ethereum blockchain, and their Etherscan says right now they have 903 holders, 9 decimal places on this token. And there is a large supply of tokens here. That is 840 quadrillion tokens. So a lot of tokens. Now, since this is an Ethereum token, if you did want to get this token prior to the Mexc Global listing, you can get this token off of Uniswap right now by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Kirbyceo token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, kirbyceo.space. Now, you may have to set slippage. We're going to see if there's taxes here in a second. And you can also find the contract address, as you can see right on the screen here. It is right on their Twitter. So that's an easy place to find it, but it's all over their webpage as well. On their webpage, they have tons of links. So they have a link to their Etherscan, Uniswap, CoinMarketCap, DexView, Aave, Dex Screener, and Dex Tools. And a buy button, all sorts of stuff on here. tons of info, I mean tons of links basically on their page here. So we're going to check out the DEX tools chart in a second because there's some quick audits on there. We'll see if there's any warnings on this token. So it says, embark on a cosmic adventure with Kirbyceo, the fusion of Kirby's whimsy and CEO's sophistication in the crypto universe. Represented by Kirbyceo, our meme coin project takes you beyond traditional finance, offering a warp speed launch where blockchain meets the lighthearted spirit of Kirby. Dive into meme battles where laughter reigns, proving that serious gains can coexist with playful fun. With the elegance of a CEO guiding your investment, join our vibrant community to shape the future of Kirbyceo. Seeking interstellar partnerships, we're set for a legendary launch. Buckle up for a celestial dance where memes, CEO wisdom, and financial innovation collide. So, like I said, there's their social links, their Telegram, their Twitter. You can check out their Telegram at Kirbyceo ETH, and they have 20,228 members on the Telegram, 1,125 of them online. So that's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project. And their Twitter, right on the screen here, at KirbyCEOX, 54 tweets, has the contract address, link to their webpage, their Telegram. Also has 5,541 subscribers, followers on the Twitter. And then their pinned tweet is basically a full link tree of all the links that I went over. DEX Tools, DEX Screener, Abe, DEX View, Uniswap, etc. All in their pinned tweet here. So you can find all the links there as well. So let's go over to DEX Tools. Now, it says their market cap right now is $322,000. They have $65,000 in locked liquidity on Uniswap V2 pool. They have, it says 1,100 transactions. 24-hour trading volume right now is $48,950. And yeah, 13.28 pooled ETH in Uniswap. Now, they have a buy and sell tax of 0%. So if you are buying or selling this token from Uniswap, you probably will not have to worry about slippage. Now, I'm just checking their audits here. They have some quick audits: Token Sniffer, GoPlus, Happy, Honeypot IS, and Quick Intel. And there's no warnings on any of the audits whatsoever. It says contracts verified, no honeypot, no proxy contract, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, no blacklist, all sorts of good stuff. So check out their quick audits and you'll see what I'm saying. It's on the DEX Tools chart. Now keep in mind they're not full audits, so stay tuned. Hopefully they get a full audit that you can review. But yeah, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.